Hi, my name's Carrie. I hail from England and now live somewhere in the middle of the Midwest. I got here because I married this guy. Meet Caleb, former Marine, DIY expert, always goofing about. He grew up farming, so that's the reason we came here, but only on the condition that I could bring my Arabian racehorse. Like literally from Arabia. I'm not sure how he likes the snow, but I think he puts up with it because he loves the kids. Speaking of little ones, meet Greg, our Mangalitsa boar. No, he's not little, but he has been quite faithful about his role as a breeding boar, and has sired us a small pig farm, no less, so we'll be selling hams at Christmas if anyone wants one. The pigs also have a job, clearing land. They get to roam and forage and eat nuts and other piggy things, and in return, we get pasture. Because we have woodland, we also have critters. Not that critter, that's Samson, our Great Pyrenees. We got him to control the critters, and he does. He's amazing. He patrols our mixed flock of ducks, guineas and hens, and is also best friends forever with our head mouse's socks. Aside from the livestock and woodland, we have a fixer-upper, which we try to work on together when we're not disagreeing about what colour to paint the bathroom or what day to rotate the pigs, and even if British people actually have any room to complain about the weather. And although it often feels as though progress is slow and the challenges are endless, our goals of self-sufficiency are steadily emerging amidst lessons in perseverance, the rewards of good stewardship, and the wisdom of contentment. But we're making memories and weekly YouTube videos, which we hope you'll tune in for, as we transform our land into a modern-day homestead.